What can harm soldiers today, and how can they reduce the odds of it happening? That's the new approach to Army safety. It makes the soldiers' well-being the centerpiece of the program. Correspondent Jeannie Ryan joins us now with more.
Thanks, Dan. Improve workplace safety and reduce accidents by 20% this fiscal year. That's the goal of the Army Safety and Occupational Health Strategic Plan. Motor vehicle accidents continue to be the #1 killer of soldiers, but work-related incidents like vehicle rollovers, weapons handling, and physical training injuries also take their toll on soldiers. Army leaders are getting more involved and turning to private industry to change those statistics.
One soldier or civilian injured is one too many. The new emphasis of the Army Safety Program is that risk management should happen around the clock, since losses can occur 24/7. As the Army transforms to meet a changing enemy and battlefield, leadership is looking for new ideas and techniques to keep soldiers and equipment safe.
The transformation initiative of the Secretary is to try to look out into the civilian community, into the private sector, into the other services for that matter, to see the things that they're doing that we might be able to apply, to the Army.
A new Army panel regularly looks at safety across all Army operations, from training to combat. Beginning this year, Knowledge Magazine, a monthly publication from the Army Combat Readiness Center, will serve as a safety guide for soldiers and their units. Army leaders also want to create a better reporting system for injuries on the job or in the line of fire through after-action reports and investigations.
We think that's important because by increasing the awareness at every level within the chain of command, we think that will enhance the role of the leader in ensuring that mishaps that might have occurred are prevented in the future.
The Army turned to the private sector to measure its safety program against the best business practices of its civilian counterparts. Armed with insight from companies like DuPont, Army leaders will use the civilian standards as a form of quality control to keep soldiers relevant and ready for any mission.
As soldiers wage the war on global terrorism, resources are more valuable. Army leaders hope that by placing a greater emphasis on safety in every aspect of a soldier's life will help keep more boots on the ground. Courtney?